With its global launch scheduled for February 25th, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra has generated immense anticipation. Despite its official unveiling still pending, key specifications have already surfaced, offering a glimpse into what promises to be a formidable contender in the smartphone arena. Now, poised for its worldwide debut, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is preparing to step onto the global stage alongside its sibling models. A defining feature of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is its striking 6.73-inch AMOLED display, which boasts QHD+ resolution and incorporates LTPO technology. This innovative combination not only delivers stunning visuals, but also introduces a dynamic refresh rate of 120 Hz. In terms of battery performance, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra sets a high standard. Housing a substantial 5,300 mAh battery capacity, it promises extensive usage without the need for frequent recharging. With 90-watt fast-wired charging, users can swiftly replenish the battery, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Similarly, the inclusion of 50-watt wireless charging ensures that users can enjoy the flexibility of cord-free charging without sacrificing speed or efficiency. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is fueled by the formidable Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a flagship-level chipset engineered to effortlessly tackle the most demanding tasks. The widespread adoption of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor across recent flagship smartphones further underscores its prominence in the global market. Notable devices such as the OnePlus 12 and the S24 Ultra also boast the same chipset, reaffirming its status as a preferred choice among leading manufacturers. Leaks hint at Xiaomi's strategic use of in-house chips in conjunction with a collaboration with Leica Optics, signaling a concerted effort to elevate the device's camera quality to unparalleled heights. For users who crave versatility in their photography, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra offers not one, but two telephoto lenses. The first is a 50-megapixel 3.2x telephoto lens, perfect for capturing distant subjects with clarity and precision. Additionally, there's a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera, enabling users to zoom in on subjects without compromising image quality, even from a considerable distance. Selfie aficionados need not feel left out, as the Xiaomi 14 Ultra also features a high-resolution 32-megapixel front camera. With options for 12GB and 16GB of RAM, the device ensures smooth multitasking and exceptional memory support, empowering users to effortlessly switch between apps and tasks without encountering any slowdowns or performance issues. In addition to Android 14, Xiaomi introduces its all-new operating system, HyperOS, designed to optimize performance, enhance user experience, and provide a host of innovative features tailored to the needs of modern smartphone users. With rivals like OnePlus incorporating AI features to maintain competitiveness, Xiaomi's strategy in this area becomes pivotal. Leveraging the robust specifications of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the introduction of compelling AI features could greatly influence its reception in the market. What are your thoughts on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. Until next time, happy exploring!